Welcome in this class. This class is about importing files. How can we import files from the library? How can we import files in the Premiere Pro? There are many ways to import files in the Premiere Pro. First of all, we go straight to the topic and go to the importing files. Now look at this. There you can see in the project panel, import media to start. Right click on it and you can see import. Click on import and there is a library. You can import your file. Look at this, import your files. The next way is here. Go to the menu bar and select file. Here you can see import. Import your file. Click on the import file and you can import file on select the file and you can import file. Now there are two files now. The next one is Control I. This is a shortcut to import files. Press Control I and look at this. Select the file and import it. Now look at this, import files. These files are imported by three different ways. So you can import your files from the project panel, from the menu bar file, or from the shortcut key Control I. There are the ways you can import your files.